Welcome back to Ride Reviews, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a ride that redefines the road. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a car, it's a time machine with turbocharged attitude. The all-new 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air is here, and it's shaking the automotive world like never before. Yes, the Bel Air is back, but not how your granddad remembers it. This isn't some nostalgic throwback. It's a beast born again with fire in its veins and a silhouette that commands respect. The new design is bold and aerodynamic with aggressive LED strips, a chiseled front fascia, and a long, low-slung profile that screams muscle with a touch of modern elegance. Chevrolet has gone all in, bringing back chrome touches, dual exhausts, and a signature wide stance, but now sharper, meaner, and more futuristic than ever. Under the hood, this thing is illegally fast. You've got a 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine borrowed straight from the Corvette, pushing out a jaw-dropping 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60, 3.7 seconds. For a midsize coupe, that's not just fast, it's outrageous. And if you're not into gas guzzlers, there's talk of a hybrid performance model coming soon with instant torque and nearly 550 combined horsepower. The ride quality is smoother than ever thanks to GM's new adaptive magnetic suspension. Whether you're cruising down the coast or gunning it on the open highway, the Bel Air adjusts in milliseconds to give you a ride that feels tailor-made for the moment. Inside, it's a whole new world. We're talking quilted leather seats, ambient lighting, a panoramic roof, and a full-width 15-inch OLED touchscreen that handles everything from navigation to a next-gen audio system that's basically a concert hall on wheels. Voice controls are smarter, the heads-up display floats like a hologram, and the entire cabin just feels elevated. Safety and driver assist features. Fully loaded, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and GM's latest Super Cruise hands-free driving tech come standard on higher trims. You're not just driving this car, you're commanding it. Now, let's talk about the trims and pricing. The base Bel Air Premier starts at around $42,000 and comes with a turbocharged inline-4 producing 310 horsepower, solid for daily drivers. The SS trim, that's your V8 monster, starting at $58,000. And then there's the rumored Bel Air ZL1, track-tuned, wide-body, and borderline outlaw, expected to touch the $75,000 mark. You've also got multiple new colorways, including Midnight Glacier, Sunset Copper, Frostbite Pearl, and the iconic Torch Red, each paired with optional two-tone finishes. And the customization options, endless. From carbon fiber packages to upgraded Brembo brakes and 21-inch forged wheels, you can make this thing truly yours. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just a reboot. It's a revolution. Bigger, bolder, and ready to dominate the streets with heritage muscle wrapped in next-gen design. It's fast, it's loud, it's luxurious, and it's here to remind the world why American performance still matters. That's all for this ride. Drop a comment below. Would you take the new Bel Air over a Charger or Mustang? Smash that like button if you're as hyped as we are, and subscribe to Ride Reviews for more raw, real car content every week. Catch you on the next ride.